the perfect day with ya.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a updated hair review. I'm going to be styling this hair that I showed you guys before, and I will give you guys an update. And while I'm actually styling the hair, I will be talking to you guys about a few things, what I just been up to. And yeah, as far as the hair, I'm gonna give you guys the information again. This hair is from DYHAIR77777, and I did a review on this hair before, and I just been getting so many comments basically asking how the hair is holding up. So this is what the hair is looking like right now after I washed it. I must say it's holding up really good. I haven't experienced any shedding or anything like that, so that's good. I mean, like any hair, it tangles sometimes, but I keep running my fingers through it because the hair is still very soft. And yeah, as far as the hair, it's the 130 density lace front wig, and the color that I got is the 1B/99J Ombre, and it's 100% virgin human hair, and the hair is straight. So this is what it's looking like after I washed it. If you want to, you can dye or bleach this hair, but I mean, if you're gonna get this color already, I wouldn't even do that. And if you want to, you can also straighten or put curls in it, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to put some curls in it. I'm just trying to make sure if I forgot anything. And you guys know, like, it came with baby hair. The lace in the front was also bleached, so this is a wig. You won't have to do anything to it. So the hair been holding up really good. I've been getting a lot of compliments on it. What I'm going to do now is I'm gonna add some curls and see how it's actually holding up the heat. I'm not going to have the heat up too high. I'm just using this curling iron that I got. Is from Remington, and it doesn't even have like a display on how hot it is, so I'm gonna just have it on the lowest one just so I don't mess up the hair. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And as far as the baby hair, I didn't even lay the baby hair yet. I just added some water right here so it won't be in my way. And yeah, so let's get into this video. Yeah, that should be enough. I don't want my hair to be too greasy. We're just gonna start. I'm gonna just start in, I don't know. Yeah, let me just start in the back. And once I put these curls in, I'm going to comb them out later with a big comb. Yeah, this color is so pretty. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to do all of them, but it's not that much hair. But it's on the lowest one, and it's doing good, pretty good. Yeah, you guys have to check out their website. They have so many nice wigs, like even the colors, like blue, turquoise. That's in case if you're into stuff like that. But I mean, to rock it for a week or so, why not? I feel like the color that I picked out is really nice. I actually really, really like it. Look how fast I did these curls. So all of them are done, and I basically just still have to do like the back and then the other side. And then once I'm done, I'm gonna comb them out and see how it turns out. I'm loving this color. This is real pretty. Yeah, I better not burn my neck again. Probably been talking your ear off, but I'm almost done. You can tell that this is like really good quality hair. Like the hair is just, it just feels good. And I've worn this hair out, washed it, straightened it. It's my first time actually doing these curls, so I can't wait to see what it looks like once I'm done. I'm just happy that the hair is not burning or falling off. Y'all remember that one girl that did that video? I think she did it with her own, yeah, she with her own hair. And the curling iron was so hot that it burned her own hair off. Yeah, I'm happy that I'm doing something that I've always like wanted to do. We're almost done. There are like other hairstyles that you guys want me to do. Make sure to put that in the comment section down below. And something about shipping that I wanted to mention again. I'm in Germany, and shipping to Germany was really fast. It only took like, I believe it was 3 days to get here. So that's really, I think that's fast. Once I'm done, I'm gonna do a close-up just so y'all can see, because this color is banging. The baby hair is a little crazy though. Might have to like, there we go, like pluck some of it. Okay, so let me see. I'm trying to see if I got everything. I did. So this is how the curls came out without me combing them out. But yeah, I can't leave them like this. But what y'all think of this color? In the hair, I really like it. So next what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just use this pick and then basically like comb the curls out and then see what curls I would have to do again. Or maybe I could have just ran my fingers through it. Yes, I'm loving this hair. Like if you guys are into like hair colors like this and y'all don't want it to be like a whole lot, this wig is definitely a wig that y'all should look into getting. So this is how the curls are looking. So what I will do right now is I'm gonna really just comb down my baby hair, and then I'm gonna be right back and show you guys the finished hair.
Mine and I like it. And I really hope you don't mind. I can't fight it. I know you know I cannot hide it. 'Cause I'm so excited that I finally decided on you. 'Cause it's been another perfect day with you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll make sure to add the link to the wigs, and if I have any discount codes, I will put them in the description box down below as well. So if you like this hair or want to check out any of the other hair that they have, make sure to check out their website. And yeah, if you guys want me to do more videos like this, like chit chat wise, let me know. You guys, I'm loving this. Look at this. The color is the bomb. And yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.